Cool. All right, Infamous Joel here, and I'm here with one of our awesome clients at the affiliate franchise. This is Jordan, and he
What's up,
recently
guys?
just hit 40K in a single month. Blows my mind. I love working with these guys. I love the affiliate franchise. We are killing it. Jordan's killing it. And I just wanted to take this time to introduce you guys to him and his story. Jordan, tell everybody who you were before the affiliate franchise and what actually got you interested in joining in the first place.
Yeah, for sure. So, I'm a small business owner. I do online, but we have retail as well. And I got our company to about 20 grand a month, having no idea what I was doing, basically. And I really wanted to learn how to actually market to people, and not just kind of guess what I'm doing, like have actual systems and strategies to move forward. But on the other hand, I was kind of struggling too because I wanted to truly know what I was doing, and that's what got me interested in learning how to market, and then also start my own thing with affiliate marketing. So basically, I saw one of Joel's videos on YouTube because I started with this group called Legendary Marketer, and by the second day, like I could feel it was super salesy and not the best thing. Like there was supposed to be a business advisor, but I felt like it was more of someone just trying to take all my money from me. Um, so then I saw Joel's video and I reached out to him, and the whole time he was super kind, and he didn't treat me more as like a number, but more as like a person. So that's what really got me interested in the affiliate franchise.
That's awesome. Thank you so much for sharing that. And what's interesting of note there is that you have your own business. You use what we teach in here and what we help you implement in here for your own business. Proof that I tell everybody all the time, whether you're doing affiliate marketing or your own marketing, marketing is marketing. It doesn't matter. And you were able to implement our strategies and actually double your income through your own business. That is freaking incredible. Can you tell everybody what was it about our strategies or what we helped you implement that helped you get to that double per month figure? That's insane.
Yeah, I think the main thing was learning how to talk to people through one-on-one conversations.
Nice.
Because in the beginning how crappy I was. You
Yeah,
know, like not everything has to be this long story. You don't have to talk about yourself and why we're so great. It's what's in it for me. Like what you always say though, with them basically, and learning how to talk to people one on one, but also learning how to craft certain posts that do the heavy lifting for you, instead of like you trying to be like, hey, I have the best thing ever. You're not even really talking about that. You're telling stories, which makes people interested, so they come to you. It's like that Dan Kennedy guy with the magnetic marketing, like they're coming to you, you're not chasing them down.
absolutely.
it, oh
Catching.
and also on video getting on video. I've been doing a lot of TikToks as well, and that has really helped as well, just getting over the fear of being on camera and realizing, hey, this is pretty fun.
I love to see the trajectory of where you were to where you are. I see you killing it on Facebook, on TikTok constantly every single day. And to hear that you were able to go through the roof and make 40K in a single freaking month is just, I already knew it was going to happen. I was waiting to see you when it happened and what your results were. But I could tell right away, I'm like, this guy's going to crush it. He's making no excuses. He's just going for it. So I'm really glad that we were able to work with you and help you get to this result and beyond. I'm sure soon you're going to get to 100K in a single month. It's going to be crazy, man. So, do you have any parting words, real quick? Do you have any parting words for the guys who might be watching this, who might be on the fence about joining the affiliate franchise or just starting their affiliate marketing business in general, whether they choose to invest with us or not? What do you have for them just to get their business out there? As you know, most people watching this probably don't have their own business. They're probably just starting and getting in the game and like a little nervous. What kind of advice would you have for them?
For sure. My first thing of advice would be that not everyone is just after to get your money. There are good people like yourself and good programs that truly care and go above and beyond to get you the results that you want. I would also tell people that hearing the word no is okay, and that just means that you're closer to a yes. A lot of people, they like get a bunch of no's and then they think it doesn't work. But you have to keep like going and keep digging and trying and finding new ways. But within the program, there's lots of different strategies and different alternatives to get the end result that you want. You know, you cover a lot of it, YouTube or Facebook, all those different areas. Like I'm about to start my YouTube channel right now. Like as soon as we hang up
Yes.
this phone call, I'm starting my YouTube channel. So we'll see how that goes. I would say that don't be scared to take risks is the best way I could explain it.
I love it. I love it. Well, thank you so much, Jordan. And thank you, everybody out there who's watching this, whether you're on my YouTube channel or wherever. And I hope those words inspired you because Jordan, he never made any excuses. I loved working with him the entire time. And it was like, he was just a puppet. He was just like, I'm just going to go out and do whatever you say. And yeah, he wasn't so great in the beginning, but he kept with it. And my God, 40K in a single month, 100K in 1 month is the next stop on the train. This guy's going to crush it. And he's starting his YouTube channel. So go over and you're watching this, go over and subscribe to his YouTube channel. The guy has value out the wazoo, okay? I'm the infamous Joel, and I'm out.
Peace out.